I don't know how true it is, but it fascinates me that it worked out this way. The numbering system on the Stanley planes from 1 through to 8, it doesn't work on the 5s. I have no idea why, but there you go. If you weigh them, that's how many pounds they weigh. So here's a number 7. That comes in at 7 pounds. Oh, we're on the back. Number 7. A number 6 comes in at 6 pounds. This is a Stanley number 1. It comes in at 1 pound. And this is a Stanley number 2. It comes in at 2 pounds. So I just found that was interesting. So it had nothing to do with their uses, but don't know. But when you get to 5 pound, no, it loses the plot. It doesn't work as well.